So we did see the big flip in the heat race. It was like right here.
Yeah.
How close were you to that car?
You know, in the moment, it felt like I could have touched the chassis or something, but it was a little bit further.
A little bit further.
I've had a few good flips under me or right up under me, and I've had nose wings and modified bumpers come up before, but
Right.
it's always fun. Some people get scared. I think it's fun, actually.
Okay. Well, I mean, you don't have a helmet on. The Knoxville Eldora guys wear a helmet.
Luckily, they built me this.
They built you a cage.
Yeah. Royal Jones, Mike Garcia, and Dean Nesbitt have made a safe place for me, but I still enjoy the radicalness of it.
The radical. The helmets take it away, you know?
Oh,
Yeah, it takes it away. Alright, we'll let the professional do it. I took his glory away. He only gets to do this once a year. Let's see what it looks like from his perspective. Tim's was on the move, man.
Yes, sir.
Tim's was coming.
One of his crew guys is from here in El Paso.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you flag the race and watch the race?
Dude, it's tough, especially with something like this.
Yeah. Everything's happening so fast.
Oh, yeah. Compared to 305 for stock cars, yeah.
Yeah. Aaron Reitzel wins, Courtney second. And man, if there was a caution, Ryan Timms probably would have won it.